Hey guys, long time no see. Welcome back to another episode. In my video today, what I'm going to be doing is making a pizza from leftover stuff that I found in my refrigerator and my pantry. I always have this pizza crust mix in my pantry from Kroger. It's very cheap. It's like 60 cents per package, and it's really handy to have for like quick dinners such as tonight. And I happened to find some pasta sauce. It's a classical spicy tomato and basil. We made some burgers the other night, and I have a little bit of onion left over from the burgers we made, so gonna toss a little bit of red onion on there. We go to Costco and we tend to buy too much sometimes, so I've been trying to find creative ways to use all these mushrooms. So as you can see, we have several left. I probably won't use all of them for the pizza, but I'm going to use a lot of them. I love mushroom on my pizza. I also have a couple tomatoes that I'm going to use. I may just use one, but we'll see. I might use both of them. I have some leftover mozzarella cheese. It's leaking water. It's a water-based mozzarella cheese, but so got a little bit of that. That'll go really nicely on top. Just a pinch of Parmesan cheese. I've got some sharp cheddar cheese, a whole bag, unopened. And I've got a little bit of Feta cheese that I'm just going to sprinkle on the last but not least, I've got some basil. First thing we're doing is we're going to make our pizza crust. Now that we've kneaded our crust, we're going to just set it aside for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to chop up my mushrooms, tomatoes, and onions. The dough is looking pretty good. It's about ready, so we're going to go ahead and get to baking it. Okay, this is smelling really good, and it's not even cooked yet. So we're gonna go ahead and slap it in the oven for about 15 minutes and dive right in.